This is not a toy guitar. It's a quarter-sized classical guitar called a Requinto. It's made by Cordoba, but plenty of other brands make Requinto guitars these days. They are really worth checking out because they are far from a toy. They are nice quality. This is a solid cedar top with mahogany back and sides and a mahogany neck. It's got a truss rod through the neck, which is great if you ever need to make adjustments on it. The scale length is 520 millimeters, which is very short. So that means when you put a standard set of strings on there and tune it to standard tuning, the strings feel very loose. So the idea is that you tune these guitars up a fourth or up 5 frets from A to A. If you want to have these guitars in standard tuning, then you need to find a particular set of strings that will sit at the right tension when you tune it to when you tune it to standard tuning. So what I've done is I've been through a bunch of different string manufacturers to find sets of strings that work really well on such a little guitar in standard tuning. And the two that I highly recommend are Savarez Alliance Cantigas, which have a kind of a roughed ribbed finish on the treble strings, which is not to everyone's taste. But the ones that are on here at the moment are Hanneback Kinders, and they are both great sets tension-wise for small-sized guitars in standard tuning. There's plenty of others I've tried, and I'll put the names of them below so you'll know which ones I've tried out, but those two sets are by far the best ones I have found for this guitar, which is a beautiful little guitar. They're very well made, Cordoba guitars. Alhambra guitars make Requinto models that are fantastic and kind of affordable as well. This is not super expensive, although this is discontinued now. So if you can find one secondhand, jump on it. They are lovely little guitars. And they're great for traveling, for knocking around the house, for throwing in the car when you go on a trip. They're just really, really lovely, comfortable, handy little guitars. And I've been promising to do a video of this for some time now. You'll see it pop up in a few more of my videos from time to time, but well worth a try. Thanks for watching. See you here again soon.